y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm looking rough because I just took my wig braids out so I can get my hair done for surgery. I still got 2 weeks till surgery, y'all, but I'm damn near just about to get my hair done. I was gonna get it done on Friday, but I'm trying to see if I can get done on Sunday because I don't want to miss school and I don't want to be looking rough. But yeah, so I'm at Walmart. I'm gonna take y'all with me while I go shopping for the rest of my supplies and stuff that I need for surgery. I already got some of my stuff at home, so when I get back to the crib, I'm gonna show y'all everything that I already purchased. So without further ado, let me get out the car. I'll get back on the camera once I'm in the store because I don't want nobody looking at me. You know, people be all up in your business and everything, and I don't need nobody in my damn business. So yeah, all right, see y'all when I get in the store. So I was gonna order gowns off of Amazon, but they wanted too much money, so I said I was gonna come to Walmart and get some. So we're in the PJs. So this is closed. Hold on. This is the PJs over here. They ain't got no damn gowns. Like, oh, they do. I mean, this is not that much more cheaper than freaking Amazon. $14.99. I'm only gonna get like 2 though. Let me not leave my purse right here. I'm messing up the cart. Oh my gosh. This is so hard. Okay. Dang, is all they got like freaking plus size? This is all plus size. Am I in the plus size section? Let me find out this Walmart do not even got nothing. Not a team. All this stuff look plus size. Like, where the little bitch shit at? Well, guess I won't be getting any gowns from Walmart because they don't have my size. Okay, let me just get the other stuff that I need. Let me see. Toys pads. So I'm just gonna get this one. And then I need adult diapers. This is so funny buying this. They're gonna be like, girl, what the hell? I don't know which ones I should get. I'm just get always. Wait, this one got 27. Okay, that's cool. Whatever. Okay. And then I need these. There's 30 in each pack. I'm gonna get 2. Two of those. What did I just do on my phone? Oh, I'm so slow, y'all. It was under my arm. Soap is this way. Let me get the soap. So I'm about to start packing my bag, y'all. I want to be overly prepared. This is soap right here. Dial. And I need antibacterial. I'm gonna get the gold one. did I say? Oh, the shower curtain. That's probably this way. Okay, this is shower stuff. Let's see if they have a shower curtain. Yeah, they got one. $5. Look at this one. Wait, this is white. I mean, does it really matter? No. It don't matter. Oh wait, maybe I'm gonna get this one. And let me check my list again. I only came to get freaking robes, but they ain't got none. Oh, maybe I'll go into Ross because it's right over here. So I'm about to, this is my cart. I'm about to go to self-checkout. I ain't about to steal nothing though, y'all. Don't get to thinking that I'll show y'all my total. Oh wait. Hold on, wait a minute. I seem to have found.
Ooh, I am so sorry.
It's okay. This was not just right here. This was not just right here. This is Halloween theme, but who cares? Okay, I'm gonna get a medium. This is $10. Okay, so I got two. Alright, so I ended up finding 2 gowns. I don't know if that part was recorded because my camera stopped recording and I ain't noticed. But I'm about to go check out. I'll tell y'all my total at checkout. It's my cart. Just not overbuying stuff. Just buying what I needed. And I'm gonna leave because I got other stuff to do today. So yeah, I'll show y'all the total when I'm done. So only $86 spent on the surgery stuff. And then I gotta ring up the rest of my stuff, so I'm probably gonna end up spending $100. Alright, so I just got back in my car. It is hot AF outside, y'all. I'm about to go to Cane's. So I've been craving it. And it's right across the street. So I'm gonna go to Cane's and get me some chicken tenders. And then I'm gonna go home and show y'all everything that I bought so far for surgery. I pretty much bought everything. Oh dang, I forgot to get some Tylenol. I got Tylenol at home though, so I'll probably just take what I already have. Let me see what else was on the list. I think I pretty much grabbed everything though. Sorry for my air conditioner is loud, y'all. I gotta let my car cool down because it's just too hot. Yeah, I got everything except for Tylenol, but I got Tylenol at home, so I'll probably just take the Tylenol that I already have. And yeah, I pretty much got everything else. So I'm gonna show y'all when I get home. Okay, now this thing should be on. Okay, it is. I don't know if I'm blurry, y'all. Let me go look in the fucking mirror. Oh, I'm steady Kristen. First of all, this is all the way zoomed in on my face. Okay, I'm not blurry. Okay, so I just got back home and I got all my stuff that I bought for surgery right here. And y'all, I don't got no my ring light is at the shop, so I don't have nothing to prop my camera up on. I should have just bought like a regular tripod from Walmart when I was there. I've been meaning to buy one, but that just slipped my mind. But okay, so oh, I'm missing one more bag. This one. Okay, so I only bought so much clothes for this because like the maxi dresses and stuff. I already had some maxi dresses, like some old ones, and I'm not trying to be spending hella money because I already done spent hella money, like over $7,000. So I'm not trying to spend a lot on like the stuff I'm be bleeding on or whatever, because I could just wear stuff that I already got. So with that being said, I did buy 2 maxi dresses from Rainbow. They was $10.99 each. So I got a green one and I got this color. These literally the only 2 colors that they had, so I just got what they had. And then I got like 2 more that I'm gonna take with me. I got a black one and it got white stripes on it, and then I got like a purple and gray one I'm gonna take that I've had for years, so don't care about them. I'll take that with me. And then next I got me a robe. This is why I should have had my stuff to prop my stuff up on, y'all, but whatever. So I got this robe. It's big and fluffy. It was like $40 off of Amazon, but I'm gonna wear that like when I go into surgery, because they say you be cold when you come out, and I'm already like borderline anemic, so I want to be warm, so I bought that. And then next I got me a backboard. I bought this off Amazon. It was like $35. They had like 2 different ones on there, but I posted on my Instagram, like my little surgery page, and I asked people who already got surgery which one do they prefer, and most people voted for this one, so I got this one. It was $35. And then I got a pack of compression socks. This comes with 3 in a pack. How much was this? Let me see. I gotta get my phone so I can tell y'all how much this was, because I don't remember off the top of my head. Let me take a look on my Amazon. The compression socks was $8.54 for 3 pairs. And then the next thing I got was this pack of seamless tank tops. This was, I think, like $15. Let me check. Yeah, it was $15.99 for 3. I'm about to order another pack of these because obviously I'm gonna need more than 3. I'll probably get like a pack or 2 more. But my I'm talking about recovery house. I'm not staying at a recovery house. I'm staying at an Airbnb, and I got a private nurse, and my boyfriend is coming. But what did I meant to say? I need to stop cursing. I was about to curse again. Oh, they have a washer and a dryer, so I can always just wash it. Next I got, y'all saw me in the store with this stuff that I'm showing next. This adult diapers, because like after you get your massages and they open your incisions and drain them, you're gonna be leaking, so you wear this so you don't be leaking all over the place. And then I got these poise pads. I believe these are for extra compression and for when you leaking, so you don't leak all over the place like after you get a massage. And then I got 2 packs of these puppy pads. Oh y'all, my camera finna die. It's a little smudge on my camera too, I didn't even notice. And then last but not least, I got this Arnica Gel. It's like all ripped up because my baby was playing with it. It got teeth marks in it too because she was freaking biting it. That baby bite everything. And then the last thing I got was these lymphatic drainage drops. This is supposed to help with swelling, like draining the fluid or whatever. I don't know if it really works, but some people be recommending it, so I bought that. I bought this a long time ago actually, but we gonna see. My camera about to die, y'all, so I'm gonna end the video here. Make sure y'all keep up with my surgery journey. I'm gonna be posting. I don't go to surgery till September 15th. Today is August 27th, so it's a little less than 20 days, so almost at my 2-week mark or whatever. So yeah, I'm probably gonna make a separate video about the cost of surgery, maybe after I have surgery, because I gotta factor in everything that I pay for while I'm out in Miami and stuff too. So yeah, my next video probably gonna be me vlogging, like getting to Miami. Well, my next BBL video is gonna be me vlogging all that stuff, like getting to Miami, pre-op, all that stuff. I'm gonna try to post some more videos in the meantime, between time, on other stuff in these next 2 weeks, because everybody been bugging me about videos. I'll just be busy, but I'm about to make time. I know I always say that, but I'm gonna make time for real, because I can almost monetize my channel, so why not, guys? But yeah, thank y'all for watching. If you haven't already, subscribe to me and click my notification bell so you're notified every time that I post, and give this video a thumbs up, and put some comments about what y'all want to see, even though, yeah, because I don't be knowing what to make videos on besides beauty stuff. So just let me know, y'all, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.